Welcome back, Pagba.
We are doing a gift exchange based on colors.
Color. Let's go. Which color first?
Brown.
Brown. Ready?
One. Asha. What part? 1, 2, 3.
Cream bun, your favorite.
But it's my favorite. Okay. Anti-hair fall. He's been having a lot of hair fall, so this is for him.
What's the next color?
Ong Sophie.
Tell me.
White.
Ta-da.
Mangaru interesting one. Let me show. Tada! It's a mix of black and white, but I know you like it.
Wow.
Pinky ponky.
Red. Okay, ready?
One, two, three.
Ooh, Spider-Man.
Wow. See? I need brushes.
Green.
Green. Interesting one.
Ta-da. Naika.
Wow. I like the color.
And fish wash.
I never buy nail polish, but
What's next?
pink.
Pink.
What is that? Bottle! Wow!
Pulled up.
Buat pecah pula.
Really? You flash clap and book inside. You can keep warm water.
So cute. See? Wow, I will need this for sure in my college.
It's sweet.
Jelly juice.
Oh my god.
My favorite
I know.
Bauli. It's Bauli, but this is sweet, but it's totally fine.
Yeah.
And last one.
Kitchen.
With a mirror M.
Cheese ball.
This is so cute.
Internet. Mirror also.
Yeah,
Yes.
I will need this in college. And for my shoe, very thoughtful.
GD.
Okay, I've never had that.
It's a boba. Maska chaska.
But
Maska chaska.
okay, this is boba. I've never had this, but
This
I'll
one.
definitely try.
Something you can eat. Anything.
1, 2, 3.
Valencia.
I
And
didn't buy this, okay, but then I just got it from my mom.
same
I
but
knew it.
different. Same
Bye.
but different. Bye guys.
Wow, very thoughtful.
What about this one?
I like it.